Disney reports its earnings after the close on Tuesday. So how is this stock looking, Jim? When we look at the Ironman results, holy cow, boy. They did on their opening weekend 175 million domestically, 175 million internationally, but they had already opened in some select international locations, so they really did a $680 million weekend. That's insane.
And remember, they have Avengers coming, and there's just a series that they've got. Thor, one of the, I saw that it was advertised. I don't know how much is theirs, whatever, but Marvel's got that character. And then Star Wars will kick in 2015.
Right, the J.J. Abrams directed one.
Yes, that looks so good. Now, the buzz is good. Disney is ESPN.
And the parks.
It's ABC, it's theme parks, and it's movies. Which means, right now, you have a good look at the movies, and you think they're great. You don't know about the others. When the stock's up like this very, very fast, what tends to happen is that some people get nervous. The stock has gotten hit on earnings.
Yeah, it's run up very nicely.
Right, so you buy half now, and you buy half after they report. That way you catch an immediate downdraft. I mean, I've gone back and forth with the company after some really great quarters, and people just take profits. And so there's no reason to go full head of steam into Disney. I've been saying the same thing at Jim Cramer on Twitter. Don't be all in Disney ahead of the quarter. That's not been the way to play it.
You know, when you brought up ESPN, their March Madness numbers were astounding.
And
they did really great on March Madness.
Yes, and so was their NFL draft, which was extraordinary. And I think that what people have to recognize about Disney is it's multiple franchises. It's incredibly well run. It's got a lot of movies in the pipe. They've remodeled the theme parks.
Yeah, the revenues are up at the theme parks.
Yes, it's got a lot of momentum. But with momentum comes hot trading. And so with hot trading, other than AIG, which had a lot of hot traders, a lot of the hot stocks have sold off after they've reported. And I suspect that that's why, look, I don't know if this is itself, that's why I want half on, but then the other half if the stock sells off.
All right, so if you've been getting those numbers on the Ironman results now, well, think about it. These are going to come out for the next quarter, these earnings on these Ironman tickets. But if you've got some money that you're setting aside for Disney, be careful.
Right.
Maybe do a little bit before the earnings, but save some of that for after the earnings, you know, if the stock gets a little bit of pullback. That's Jim Cramer, and I'm Deborah Borchardt with The Street.